Today I'm going to unbox my letters magnet and numbers magnet. These are very colorful. Wow, different colors. Now I'm going to put these on my fridge. First it is A, B, C, D, E.
Can I go for? Then
F.
you're making so many I first.
G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N,
Mama. Done.
O, P,
And what?
Q,
Don't fall down. Yeah, I threw it. And don't
R,
fall down. My
S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I am going to unbox my magnetic numbers. Very colorful. Let's open the box. Here it is.
अब सीधी करो.
I'm going to put these on my fridge. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, plus, multiplication, division, minus, equal to, question mark.
Done one.